Hey guys, so we're here on the Norwegian Epic. We're on the 12th floor in a family club suite. We have pretty much a queen size bed. The sink, which is on the outer part. The actual toilet. And on this side we have the shower. So as everyone knows, this is an awkward setup because of the bathroom being kind of separated from one another. The toilet is on one side, the shower's on one side, the sink is out here by the bed. The floors here are like a fake wood. So if there is some water here when you get out of the shower, nothing's gonna get damaged as far as the carpeting. As you can see, it is a little dated. This ship is supposed to go under a refurbishment come the end of the year, which it really does need, interior and exterior. The Haven rooms have been updated during COVID, but these staterooms are a little dated, a little beat up, have seen definitely better days. As you can see, some of the furniture is kind of nicked and damaged, but there is plenty of storage. There's a safe right here. You have some closet space to hang your clothes. There's actually a lot of space up in these counters to put, your clothes and stuff in. Look, at the end of the day, it's a cruise ship. You don't spend a ton of time in the bedroom. There is a bed, a bunk bed that comes down from the ceiling, and this couch apparently turns into a bed. We have a balcony room, so we'll go take a look out on the balcony, take a little view. Right now we're in Barcelona, about to head out for a 9-night cruise through the Mediterranean. Ship's supposed to sail at 5 p.m. Right now it's about 3. People are still boarding. We finally have access to our stateroom. And that's pretty much it for the room. We'll get back and do a little tour of the ship afterwards. Again, a little dated. Looks like it's from like the time the ship was built and never redone. So, but otherwise we're gonna have a blast. We're gonna make the most of everything. And that's it.